Hi and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today I'm unboxing an amazing Amazon find, this sprouts machine. Traditionally we use plastic boxes or utensils for sprouting, but plastic isn't always safe. Over time it may release harmful chemicals and sprouts also take longer to grow properly. That is why I wanted to try this healthier glass sprouts maker. So inside the box we get two sprout maker jars. This is how they look, made of thick glass, and the cap is BPA-free plastic. On the cap you'll notice tiny holes. They are for draining extra water and allowing proper airflow, which are both very important for sprouts to grow fresh and crunchy. In the second box there is one more glass jar with the lid, so basically you can sprout two different types of pulses at the same time. We have got two plastic trays and a small manual. These plastic trays are used to collect the drained out water so that your counter stays clean. Along with that we get two black satin cloth pieces. Once you put the pulses inside the jar you have to cover them with this cloth. Why? Because sprouts grow fast in dark and cozy environment, just like under the soil. Now once you fill the jar with pulses and water, this is how you place it. The jar goes on the green stand tilted like this so extra water drains out properly. If water remains inside, sprouts can spoil. And after placing it, cover the jar with that black cloth so it stays in the right condition for sprouting. So this was for part 1, unboxing and setup of the sprouts machine. In part 2 I'll show you the actual sprouting process with moong dal and chana. Don't miss that. And if you want to check out this sprouts maker, the Amazon link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in part 2.